Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 106 onwards of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ما ننسخ من آية أو ننسها نأتي بخير منها أو مثلها. Ma two counts long. We will make it two counts long. Why? Because this is part of mad asli, natural mad. Natural mad consists of alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Alif, you find fatha before it. Ya sakina qablaha maksur. And before ya you find kasra. Waw sakina qablaha madmum. If you find waw sakin and you find dhamma before it, you will make it two haraka long. Two haraka long. All these three combinations will be two haraka long. Ma, you cannot make it short. It's ma because alif sounds a and fatha sounds a. So these two a comes together makes a longer vowel. Ma nasakh. There's noon sakina. After noon sakina, you find harfe ikhfa. So you will hide the sound of noon. Nasakh. And for fatha, open your jaw. And for kha, it's heavy and it has rukhawa. Rukhawa means the sound will keep on going. The makhraj will not cut off the sound. The sound should flow. Nasakh. Sakh. Min. For kasra, give e sound. For noon, you're giving idhar over here. You're saying the sound of noon very clearly. Min. Is two counts long. Why? The same combination is coming up. This is alif. Without before alif, you find fatha. Yeah. Yeah is a soft letter. And for fatha, open your jaws. Yeah. Tin. Clear is har. Give this tanween sound very clear sound. Ayatin. Ow. This is lean and it will be two haraka long. There are two lean letters. Waw sakina. Qablaha maftuh. If you find waw and there is fatha before it, it is harf lean. And ya before it, there is fatha. You are making it two haraka long too. This is harf lean. These are soft letters. And these three are natural mud, natural long letters. So, but these will be two haraka long too. These are soft and long, and these are long only. So, aw, look, there's waw sakina qablaha maftuh, there is waw sakin, and you find fatha before it, so you are making it two haraka long. Aw, nun, for dhamma, circle your lips. For noon, as soon as you'll touch noon with sukoon and you're hiding it, your lips should be in a normal position. Nun, si. For kasra, give e sound, ha, two counts long. Why? Yeah, match the combination. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh. So you are making it two haraka long. Siha na. For whenever any letter is attached with hamza, it will be very strong stop because the makhraj will cut off the sound. Na, ti, ti is short. B. For every kasra, keep on saying e, e, e. B, ti, B. Na'ti bi khoy. It is lean. Why? Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. Look. Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. Bi khayrim. This is idgham bidgunna idgham. What is the abbreviation for idgham? ID. Okay. Idgham bagunna. You are holding the sound in your nose. بخير من. This is izhar. You will give the sound very clear, um, clear sound. Min ha 4 haraka long. Why it's long? Because whenever you find hamza and before hamza you find mad, natural mad, you will make this natural mad more than 2 haraka long. It will be 4 haraka long now. Ha, ow. This is lean to. Waw sakina qablaha maftuh. There is waw, and before waw you find fatha. You make it soft and long, 2 haraka long. Ow, myth. That will keep on going because it's rikhawa. Mithli, li is short. Ha, 2 counts long. A. Okay, why there is mud at the top? If you will join it with the ayah coming up, then it will be 4 haraka long because there is hamza after it. But if you will stop here, you will make it 2 haraka long because you are not placing hamza after it. So misliha in case of stopping over here. And if you don't want to stop, you want to continue, you will say أو مثلها ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير. Is short. Lam meme will have what? Meme will get a clear sound because this is Hari Shafawi. Alam ta. Then for Fatha, open your jaws. For Ain, give tawassut. Tawassut means a medium flow of sound. Ta. You cannot stop this sound of Ain abruptly because this is the what? This is Len Omar. This is part of Len Omar. Len Omar are the 5 letters which gets medium flow of sound. Medium flow of sound, and for theoretical language, we say it has tawassut. Tawassut means a medium flow of sound. So you will not stop it, but you will give a medium flow. Lam an hamza for fatha. Open your jaws, and hamza is a very strong letter. And give gunna to harka gunna. Allah. And this will be heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy. Why? Because you find fatha before it. As you find fatha immediate before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you will make this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy. And that is just like saying law. Law. As you what you study law, you follow law. And Allah ha ain from your throat, la 2 counts long. Ala kulli for every dhamma, circle your lips, and as you touch lam, the your lips should be in a very very normal position. It shouldn't be stretched behind, and it shouldn't be circled for dhamma. No, it should be a normal position of your lips when you touch lam. Kul, and then for kasra li. Kulli shay'in. Shay, 2 counts long. Why? Because this is lean. You will give a soft touch, and it will be 2 counts long. Shay'in. It is a heavy ikhfa. Qaf is heavy, and for fatha, open your jaws. Deel, and ra will be light because there is ya before it. Whenever ra gets sukoon and there is ya before it, it is always light. Qadir, and give tawassut when you are stopping it. Alam ta'lam anna Allah. For fatha, open your jaws. Lam, meme will get very clear sound and izhar. And it will get sifa will be tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Alam ta' ain tawassut again. Where you find tawassut? Yes, here. Look, Lin, Omar are the letters which get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Alam, ta'lam. Again, there is tawassut. Your application of your sifat will make your tilawa so beautiful that you will be enjoying on your own too. Whenever you will say it, it will touch your heart. It will give you sakun. It will give you sakina that you cannot find anywhere else. So, and just use your pencil. Um, keep on writing your sifat and keep on applying it. Just don't write it down, but apply it too. Alam ta'lam an gunna. Whenever noon and meme gets tashdid, look, meme and noon. Whenever it gets tashdid, it gets two haraka long gunna, longer gunna, akmal gunna, kamil akmal gunna, and for fatha short. Sorry, this is attached with lafz jalala. And Allah. Why lafz jalala is heavy? Because you find fatha before it. There is fatha unknown, so this lafz jalala will be heavy. And Allah. Ha is short, la short, hu two counts long. Lahu mul. For dhamma, circle your lips. For lam, give tawassut. Mul. Don't stop abruptly. It's not mulkus samawati. No, it's mulkus. For dhamma, circle your lips very clearly. If you will not circle, the sound will not be clear and not give its haq. The haraka is the haq of this letter. Mulkus. And for seen, give safir, give rukhawa, and the sound will be light. Kussa. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, two counts long. Why? Because this alif is just like a big alif. So this is alif sakina qablaha maftuh. So you are making it long. Ma, wa, same here. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh. I wish you can see my cursor where I'm pointing out for you. Look here. Alif, this is alif, and for before alif you find fatha. Look, this is the combination I'm talking about. Alif, before alif you find fatha, you make it two haraka long. Mawati. T is short. Wal. For wow, circle your lips to pronounce wow. Don't use your teeth to pronounce wow. It will be very wrong pronunciation. So circle. Only circle your lips to pronounce wow. And for fatha, open your jaws. Well. Ar. Give tawassut on ra. Ardi. God is heavy. And if you will stop, well, wa, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, wa, ma, la, short. Kum. For dhamma, open your, circle your lips. And yeah, what you are doing here, this is idgham shafawi. So you are giving akmal gunna here. Lakum min. Yeah, here is ikhfa, light ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of noon. Min do is two counts long. Two counts long. Nillahi. For kasra, give e sound, and you're making lafz jalala light. Why? Because there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Look, here is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So it will be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light. Min dunillahi. Nillahi. He is short. Mew, for kasra, give e sound. And now there is idgham. Idgham. Bagunna. With gunna. So you're keeping your sound in your nose. Mew. Wa is short. For fatha, open your jaws. wali. Then lam is attached with ya. And whenever ya or waw gets tashdid, it will get nabar. These are the letters of gunna. Don't mix up. Okay. This is gunna and this is nabar. What nabar is? Nabar is to give a sound little jump. So to show that there are two yas. Wali. As soon as you go and touch the ya after lam, wali, wali. This is the point where you'll give nabar. Wali. And for kasra, give e sound and attach it with waw. And this is idgham bagunna too. Idgham. Idgham is to merge one sound into another. Wali. Wa is short. La, two counts long. Wali. Wala. Na is short. Sleep. Raw will be light and it will get the wasut. Why it is light? Because you give sukoon over here and you find kasra before before it. That's it. You'll keep raw light. Nasir. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.